Hello everyone, welcome to the full course online. This is the first video in the Windows 11 Alternative series. The video will discuss how to download, install, and look at certain features of Zorin OS. Zorin OS is very popular because of its lower hardware requirements. It requires a 1 GHz dual-core CPU, which can be either Intel or AMD 64-bit. The RAM requirement is 1.5 GB. Zorin has 3 versions. The core version needs at least 15 GB of space. The education version requires 32 GB. The Pro version of Zorin OS requires 40 GB. Your display should be at least 1024 by 768 resolution. In order to download this amazing Linux operating system, search for Zorin OS. Click on the link zorin.com and click on Download Zorin OS. The Pro version is paid. You have to pay $47.99, which includes sell tax, while the Core and Education versions are free. The educational version needs a lot of space as it includes some educational software for schools and students. We are going to download the core version. Click Download. If you want to subscribe to the Zorin newsletter, put your email in, otherwise, you can skip to download. You can start downloading the ISO file, which is 3.5 GB. It should take some time, depending on your internet speed. And it is done. To make a bootable USB from the downloaded ISO, we would use the Balena Etcher or Etcher software. Click on the link given in the description of this video, or watch the video given at the end of this one and you would be able to burn ISO of Zorin OS using Balena Etcher. Once the USB is made, restart the computer. On this screen, we would choose the first option. Try or install Zorin OS. It should start copying some files. On this screen, we have 2 options. One is to try Zorin OS. If you don't want to install it, click on Try OS. Because we want to install this operating system, we will click on Install Zorin OS. On the left side, you have to choose the language. English is okay for us. Click on Install Zorin OS. On this screen, choose your keyboard layout. For every language, the keyboard layouts are given. For English, the US keyboard layout is okay for us. So, click on Continue. If your computer is connected to the internet, you can download all the updates right now during the installation. And also, you can install third-party software for graphics, Wi-Fi hardware, and additional media formats. I don't want to download any one of them right now. So, uncheck the options and click on Continue. Okay, now there are 2 options. The first one is to erase your whole hard drive and install the OS. And it gives you a warning that it will delete all your programs, documents, photos, music, or any other files in your operating system. So be careful. If you have any other files, take a backup and then choose this option. There are some other options. If you want to dual boot this operating system with Windows or any other operating system, select the second option. And then you have some choices after that. Right now, we are going to select the first one because we have nothing else on our hard drive. And click on Install Now. It asks permission to write these changes to the disk. Click on Continue. Select your region. On this screen, give your full name, then your computer name. Select or pick a username and a password. The 3 choices are given for login. One is to log in automatically. The second one requires a password for login. And the third one is if you have Active Directory installed on your network, then the server will be used for authentication. We are installing it on a standalone computer. So I'm selecting the second one. And the installation process has started. After the completion of the installation process, you need to restart the computer. Click on Restart Now. You can see the glowing logo of Zorin OS. Remove the installation media or the bootable USB. Give the password, which you have already given during the installation process. And that's it. That is the look of Zorin OS. It is a welcome screen. If you wish to start an introduction to this OS, click on Start Tour. A small guide. There is a Start menu. You can choose the appearance for your operating system. There are many styles given. You can connect a Google account or a Microsoft account. You can link your phone with your computer using Zorin Connect. And if you want to install some additional apps, you can learn here. There is a File Explorer. I'm going to see some settings. Right-click the desktop and go to Settings. You can see there are some options given for network, displays, or applications, Zorin appearance. You can take a tour of different options. And you can see. Let's change the background. Click on the background and select a picture. And that's it. To turn off the system, you have a power option in the top right corner. Click on that. Click on the power button. And you have options for suspend, restart, and power. Click on Power Off. Thank you very much.